Hello, welcome back everyone. Now in this session, we are going to discuss about an interesting concept, and that is merge statement. So first of all, we need to understand that what do you mean by merge statement? Merge statement means when we are performing insert, update and delete operation in a one go, it means that it is called a merge statement. Okay, don't worry about that. We are going to discuss about a merge statement in detail with the various steps. We will understand each concept with some few examples. So you'll have clarity and capability to solve this kinds of problem and understand this concept clearly. But before that, I request you all kindly execute the SQL script in your SSMS to create table name is source new and to create a table name is target new. So what is present in this table? First of all, we will try to understand that. Okay. So here we are having a source table, name is source new, which contains four columns. Name is employee ID, first name, last name, and their respective salary. Here I've also copied and pasted it over here so that it will be easy for you to understand what we are going to do in next step. Secondly, we have a table name is target new, which also contains four columns. Name is employee ID, their first name, last name, and their respective salary. So first of all, we will see data, what is present over here. As you can see in the source table, we are having two records with the employee ID 1 and with the employee ID 4. In target table, we are having two records with employee ID 1 and with employee ID 3. Now coming to the first record, as you can see in the source table, we are having a folk name is Rahul Kumar with a salary of 25,000. But in target table, this folk Rahul Kumar having a salary of 30,000. And similarly, Ramesh Gupta and Divya Goel. So as per the definition of merge statement, we are going to use the three statements here like update, insert and delete. So what do you mean by update statement? It means that we need to update something like in comparison to like as here you can see that we are having employee ID 1 in both of this record, both of this table, but the salaries are different. Like here the salary is 30,000, but in source table it is 25,000. So if anyhow we have to update this salary of target table with respect to source table, so it will be updated to 25,000. Okay. So let's start with the merge statement. So what is the basic syntax of merge statement is that it's just like a simple English. Okay. So what we want to do? We want to do merge operation on which table? We want to do merge statement or merge in target table. Okay. And target table here it means as target new. I am giving this target new alias st. Okay. So if we are doing merge operation, so we are going to do in target table, but with reference to means what is the native table here? The native table here is source table, correct? So just write using means with reference to source table, and here source table is source new, and I am giving this alias as s. So let's understand this two statements once more. So we are doing merge operation on which table? Target table, and with reference to means what is the native table here? It is source new. Okay. In first step, we are going to learn about update statement. Okay. So when we need to do update or insert or delete sort of operation, then we need to compare both of this table. So to compare both of this table, here we are having only one key, and that is employee ID, and the employee ID is the primary key here. Okay. So we will do update operation on the basis of employee ID. Okay. But how? So first of all, when we apply merge operation, then it is based on matching records. So it means that when matched then update. This is a basic syntax of merge statement, but I'm trying you to explain it more clearly so you will have clear picture in your mind and you can just learn this. Okay. So when matched then update means when employee ID is matching, then we need to update. Okay. But here we have missed one thing, like we apply when matched, but what matched? We haven't applied the condition. So we need to do merge operation on the basis of employee ID. So from target table, just have a look over employee ID and just matched it with the help of source table and employee ID. correct? So what we have written here, we are doing merge operation on target table using source table, and the key that is common on both of this table is employee ID. And when matched, it means that when IDs are matching, like for this scenario this ID 1 and 1 is matching, then we need to do update. What we want to update here, so here we want to update all of this stuff. Okay, all of this stuff means just you set t dot salary, means update salary in target table with respect to source table. Okay, it means that we are going to update salary in target table that is present in source table. Okay, so in target table the salary is 30,000, but we are going to update it with the help of source table, and that is 25,000. Okay, now coming to another statement, like we want to update its first name if they are not same. Okay, t dot first name means update first name in target table with respect to source table, correct? And what is present here, the last name, update the last name with reference to the source last name. Okay, I think so it is clear to you what we are doing here. Just have a look over once again. So we are doing merge on target table with reference to source table on the basis of if they're having a matching employee IDs. Okay, and we are updating that salary for target table and just getting the information from source table. Here we are updating the first name with the help of source table and last name. Okay, so let's execute this and see what will happen if I'll just execute this statement. Let's execute this. Okay, and now have a look over target table. As you can see over the screen, initially the salary was 30,000, but now it has updated to 25,000, and everything is same because earlier it was same Rahul Kumar and Divya Goel. So there is no record, matching record for the name of employee ID with the name of Divya Goel. So it hasn't updated that. Okay, so this is all about update, but merge has capability to do all of this thing like update, insert and delete. So have a look over insert. So insert, when we are going to insert the record, it means that when there is no IDs present, it means that here in the source table, or take example target table, here ID 4 is not present. Okay, so when this ID is not present, then update that ID or insert that ID. Okay, so the statement will be when not matched. What not matched? Their IDs are not matching. Okay, then when not matched by target, correct, means it is not getting matched with the target, means the IDs that are present in source table but that is not present in target table. Okay, so here the IDs are present in source table is 1 and 4, but in target table the IDs are 1 and 3 is present. So which ID is not present in target table? ID 4. Okay, so when not matched by target table, then what we have to do, we need to insert values. Okay, and what values we need to insert? Their employee IDs, okay, their first name, their last name and their respective salaries. So from where we are getting information? We are getting information from source table. Okay, so when IDs are not matching, then please insert the record from source table for the employee IDs, for the first name, for the last name and for the salaries. Okay, it's clear to you. Let's execute this and see what changes now we are having or seeing in target table. As you can see in target table, now we are having one more record, and that is for Ramesh. It means that in target table initially we were having only 2 records with employee ID 1 and 3, but the record with the ID 4 it is not present, so we have inserted that. Okay, last thing, it's delete. Okay, so when we have to apply by delete, it means that when not matched by source, as you can see that here I have used not matched by target, means the things or the IDs, if they are not present in target table, then we are going to insert. And here when not matched by source, means the stuff that is not present in source table, then we have to delete that. Okay, then we need to apply delete operation. Okay, and let's execute this and you will see something new here. Okay, let's execute this target table. Now we are having two records, and which two records? That are present in source table. Got it? Like employee ID 1 and employee ID 4. So what we have learned? We have learned about merge statement. And what is merge statement? Merge statement has a capability to do update, insert and delete. And we have learned step by step. We've also learned how can we write this syntax. It's a basic simple English, but we need to understand that. Okay, I hope so you've understand the stuff of merge statement with this video. If this video is helpful for you, then please just like, share and subscribe among your friends. I'm targeting for 5,000 likes for this videos. Thank you everyone. Thank you for watching. Have a great day ahead.